Welcome to Bike Pro, your ultimate destination for the latest motorcycle news, reviews and insights. Today we dive into the thrilling world of the 2026 Suzuki Air machine that has long been the symbol of speed, power and precision. The name itself carries a legacy of dominating highways and racetracks for over 2 decades. With the 2026 model, Suzuki has taken that heritage and injected it with technology, improved performance and a design language that blends elegance with aggression. Design and aerodynamics. The 2026 continues its tradition of being instantly recognizable, yet Suzuki has refined its bodywork for even better aerodynamics. The slicker lines, sharper edges and redesigned fairings are not just for looks, they improve airflow at high speeds, enhancing stability and reducing drag. The bike now features adaptive aerodynamic winglets that automatically adjust based on speed, ensuring optimal when you need it most. The LED lighting setup is slimmer and more futuristic, giving it a commanding presence whether it's day or night. Engine and performance. Under the fairings lies the heart of the beast, an updated 340cc engine that delivers acceleration. Suzuki has refined the engine to produce even smoother power delivery with a peak output that surpasses 200 horsepower. The torque curve has been optimized to give you explosive performance, perfect for overtaking on highways. The 2026 also gets a exhaust system for a deeper, more aggressive sound while meeting the latest global emission standards. Technology and ride-in aids. This year's comes fully loaded with the latest electronic ride-in aids. The Suzuki Intelligent Ride System, SIRS, offers customizable riding modes for cornering, ABS, traction control, wheelie control and launch control. A new HX ensures every movement is measured in real time, giving the ride-in unmatched confidence in corners and during sudden maneuvers. The TFT display is larger and brighter with Bluetooth connectivity for navigation, call alerts and ride analytics. Comfort and practicality. Despite being the 2026 remains surprisingly comfortable for touring. The revised seat cushioning, adjustable handbar positions and improved windscreen make extended rides less fatiguing. The suspension setup, featuring fully adjustable forks and a rear, strikes the perfect balance between sporty stiffness and road comfort. The bike also comes with cruise control, making highway rides smoother and more relaxed. Safety and braking. Stopping power is delivered by calipers paired with large floating rotors, ensuring precise and powerful braking even at high speeds. Suzuki has also integrated cornering brake control, so you can confidently slow down while leaning. The advanced traction systems and stability control.